What's up, guys? It is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, I haven't done an unboxing for a mobile device for a long time. So I got in the shop today the BlackBerry KEY2, the latest phone from BlackBerry. Oh my god, I can't believe BlackBerry still exists. This one is powered by Android, and so far what I know, it has 64 gigs with 6 gigs of memory. And other cool things. So let's unbox this guy and give you a first impressions of what I think about it. Alright, so what comes inside the box? Let's start over here. We have a bunch of warranty guides, manuals, get started guides, instructions, and all that other good stuff within this little case right here. You're also going to get one of these guys to remove the slot, which allows you to hook up your nano SIM as well as your micro SD card, which is this guy right here. Cool. So this is your micro SD card and this is your SIM card to give it connectivity so you could talk on the phone. Awesome. This is for the power USB connection, and this is the USB to, it looks like a Type-C connection. Oh, cool. And it looks like BlackBerry hooks you up with some earbuds. Awesome. And then we have the beautiful BlackBerry KEY2 device. Wow, awesome. Oh, don't you love that sound? Awesome. Let's take the front one off. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, this is extremely gorgeous. All right, so taking a closer look on the BlackBerry KEY2 device. Looks pretty awesome. It looks like this is a built-in keyboard. Yeah, that doesn't remove at all. At the bottom, you have your speakers as well as the port to insert your cable to charge it up. This guy is your Type-C. It looks like a Type-C connection. If you have the device facing you on your right-hand side, this guy looks like volume control. I have the slightest clue what this is. I'm assuming this is the power button. It looks like the power button. At the very top, we have our audio jack to hook up our headphone and our mic. And on the side, this is where our micro and SIM card slot is located. On the back side, it looks like we have dual cameras and also a front camera as well. So I'm gonna power this guy on. I'm gonna press this button right here. Let's power it on. Let's see if it has some juice. All right, so it looks like this button is not the power button. This is the power button. Interesting. Okay, so this guy is the power button. This one right here in between, I'm assuming the volume, and I have the slightest clue what this button is. So again, it is powered by Android, and I believe the primary operating system is Android 8.1 or 8.0, which is Oreo. So a couple of things that I know so far about the device. It is running an octa-core 64-bit Snapdragon 660 processor. Wow. It has a beautiful 4.5 IPS display. Now the front camera is running 8 megapixels, but the cool thing is that at the back it has dual 12 megapixel cameras. Holy moly, that's pretty crazy. The battery capacity is 3,500 milliamps per hour. I definitely need to test that out to see how long that lasts. It really depends on how you use the device. You could probably get maybe 1 or 2 days, but it really depends. All right, so I finally got it set up. I do like the way it feels in my hand for some reason. I'm definitely not used to the actual keyboard. You know, I used to use BlackBerry a long time ago, but now to physically hold a BlackBerry in my hand this skinny, it's really weird. I do love the large, long 4.5 IPS display. It looks pretty crisp and clear. I did find out what this button does right here. This is like a quick access. You're able to configure it to do like phone calls or open up certain apps quickly. That's one of the things I need to look into. And it actually has a fingerprint scanner, which is located on the space bar. I need to configure that and see how well that works. Wow, right now it's uploading and downloading a bunch of updates. It's pretty easy to get it set up with no problem. I mean, the specs is pretty good. Core 64-bit Snapdragon 660. I'm assuming this guy is a power horse. Most likely I'm going to play a couple games, watch some videos. With 64 gigs, that's a lot of space. 6 gigs of memory, that's not that bad. The dual 12 megapixel cameras that this guy has, that is something that I am definitely going to test out to see how well the pictures look. I'm going to skip that right now. Oh, cool. So this is the camera. And I think you are able, it's making a lot of noises because a lot of updates. So right now, let's see, what's the recording? This is camera, photo, video, 1080p. For video, for video, you're able to record 4K up to 30 frames per second. Wow, I definitely need to test that out. I would love to compare my 4K iPhone 7 footage with the BlackBerry KEY2 4K footage to see what's the difference between those two. Now, from my understanding, the display itself is made out of Gorilla Glass 3. I would love to do some testing to see how strong is it. I need to test out other things like the battery, imaging, taking pictures, video, how well that works out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing / first impressions of the BlackBerry KEY2. Not a huge fan doing reviews on mobile devices, but I got this guy in the lab. If you have any questions or concerns or whatever you want me to follow up on the review, leave them at the bottom of the comment section, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.